Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building a clean and stylish personal website using only HTML and CSS. So whether you're just starting, this video is for you. Let's begin. Inside header, we create a navigation bar using nav and give it a class called navbar. We start a list of links using all with a class navMenu. Each li contains an anchor tag. These are our menu items: home, about, projects, blog, and contact. The home link has a class active to highlight the current page. We close the nav and header sections, and we start the main section of our website, and we give it the class intro. Inside, this first div will hold our text content, like your name and description. H1 is the main headline. We highlight your name with a red span. H2 gives your job title. You can change it to whatever you want. Here we use a less than P tag to add a short introduction about yourself. We create two buttons, one for hiring, one for contact, and give them custom classes. This last part shows your profile picture in the right side. Replace your image.png with your real photo file. When we finish typing, we refresh our code, and we see the result. Now in CSS, first, we use the universal selector asterisk to remove all default margin and padding from elements and set box sizing to border box, which helps with consistent sizing across the page. Then with style the body, we set our background, apply a clean and modern font, and make all text white by default. The .navbar uses flexbox to space out the logo and menu links. Padding adds space inside, and the red shadow gives it a glowing border effect. The logo text is styled in red, bold, and a bit bigger than normal text, simple but eye-catching. We remove bullets from the list, make it horizontal with flexbox, and add spacing between each menu item. Each menu link has no underline, stays white, and transitions colors smoothly when hovered. We use a pseudo element before to create a red underline that will animate when hovered, and that's by letting the content empty. Set the position to absolute. Put the correct value of the width, height, left, and bottom, and add in transition. When you hover over a link or it's the active page, the red underline expands to full width. And on hover, the link text turns red, like you see the hover animation appear. The .intro section uses flexbox again to place the text and image side by side, with padding for space. Flex wrap allows it to stack on smaller screens. This limits the width of the text block, so it doesn't stretch too wide on large screens. The main heading is large and has a little spacing underneath. That's why we put imagine. The .red class changes text color to our main red, used for names and highlights. Then, the subheading is smaller and light gray for contrast. The paragraph uses soft gray and extra line spacing for easy reading, with some margin below. We put the two buttons side by side with space between them. Each button has padding, a red border, transparent background, and red text. We round the edges into a pill shape and add a hover transition. On hover, the button fills with red, the text turns black, and we add a red glow around it. We style the image with rounded corners, red glowing shadow, and a smooth zoom effect. On hover, the image slightly zooms in for a clean and smooth animation. And that's it. We've just created a clean, dark-themed personal portfolio website using only HTML and CSS. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what you want to build next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.